welcome back. Thanks for being here. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Summer Project Box by Lauren Mormino and Sincerely Jen Patterns collaboration, and I am so super excited to be a part of this. Yay! Look, isn't it pretty? Oh, I love this. I'm just so stinking excited. I just cannot wait to get started. I am just honored to be a part of this. I really am. So let's go over some details real quick before I start going through the box. The retail for the box will be about July 25th. It's scheduled for July 25th. It could change, so roll with it, but it'll be about July 25th that retail is going to go out for the box. There was a Google Doc form that if you pre-signed up for, you will have first dibs at purchasing the box. So there was about 2,000, I think, that Lauren said there was, and she said that it exceeded what she thought would sell, and so they put in rush orders for more boxes, and so they're working really hard over there to try and get as many boxes as possible, but the Google Doc form is closed now. So if you did sign up on the Google Doc form, you will have first dibs at getting a project box. You will have an email that will be sent out to you about a week before it goes out to retail, and that'll be your prompt to purchase the box. You can only purchase one at a time, and that's about it. So if you signed up on the Google Doc form, you do have first dibs at getting a box. You purchase it a week before it goes out to retail. What's left over, and I don't know if they have like a certain amount that they saved for retail, I don't know, but retail will be July 25th or so. Again, dates could change, so roll with the punches. Keep updated on social media. I believe Lauren updates most of the updates on her YouTube channel and on her Facebook group, on So Whatever. So I think those are the places where she's updating people the most. So go to those places for updates. So let's get started on going through the box and what's in there, all the fun goodies, and let's go. So here is the pattern. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So Lauren and Jen over at Sincerely Jen's collaborated, and Jen did an amazing job putting this booklet together. She used the fabric that is in the project box on the pattern. Like, how cool is that? I can see why Lauren was so excited. It's because it's like a dream come true. You see your dream, your art come to life and printed. Like, it's just, I don't know, I get goosebumps thinking about it for her. It's just so cool. But here's the pattern, and on the inside you will have a paper with all the pattern pieces that you will cut out for your pattern. So that is on the inside of the booklet, which is a paper pattern booklet. So that is the first thing in there. And then you will have this little pouch full of all of your goodies. And inside, and we are missing some stuff, the people that have agreed to do a tutorial for the bag. So all of us got our boxes early so we can film a tutorial. So that's why we have them already. And we are missing a sew-in label, which I believe will be in all the other boxes, and the snips. We did get a snip, but we just got a regular silver snip, which that's fine. I'm good with that. More snips the better. But your snips will have the actual pattern that is the main pattern, the roses that are on the box and on the main pattern here are going to be printed on your snips. So these are the snips, and they're going to be so cool with that rose pattern on there. It's going to be so pretty. So y'all will get those. You get a silver ink pen, great for marking on vinyl. You get a cut and sew cork label by the Heartwood and Hide. So cool, so pretty. Let me grab all this out of here so it doesn't make a ton of noise. All right, and then you'll have your zipper tape, which is this really pretty hot pink and gunmetal. That is the color of the teeth and the hardware. And so attached to my zipper tape are some of my favorite things, which are glitter clips. So you'll get glitter clips. I believe 5 is what you get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. 5 teal glitter clips. And then your hardware for the bag, which is gunmetal. So you'll have everything you need in here to make the bag. And then this really fun little notebook that says sew whatever and has the pattern, the rose pattern on there. So pretty. Oh no, it says sew what. Cute. And then you get a 1/2 yard of the main fabric, which is a waterproof canvas. So this is not the water resistant, this one's actually waterproof canvas. So this is the main fabric, and this is what the snips is going to have on it. So the snips will have this printed on the snips. Like, how cool is that? So main fabric, you get a 1/2 yard. And then for your lining, you get a full yard of water resistant canvas, which is this like teal color, teal blue. It's more on the blue side, teal blue color. Real pretty. You get a full yard of that. That's a lot of fabric. You will not be using all of that on this bag. So you get that, and then exclusive to the box, I believe this ruler is exclusive to the box. So it's like a mint green ruler, and it has your measurements, and it's glittery. So I believe she designed this from what other people that did the unboxing said, that this is for making strap connectors. So that's awesome. It's like a perfect little size, like awesome to reach for, and good size. It's a good size ruler. I don't have a ruler this size, so I'm excited to use this one. And that's what comes in your project box. And so what you will have also that we do not have is in your booklet, you're going to have QR codes that is going to direct you to all the different YouTubers that are making a tutorial for the bag. I believe there are 12 of them, and so that is a lot of different takes on the bag, how people make the bag. Some will be doing different things to the bag, so it'll be fun to see what everyone's take is on the bag. Some are going to do a zipper closure on the top, some are going to keep it the way it is. You never know. Lauren said it's up to us what we want to do with the bag, so it's going to be fun to see, and there is a lot of options for you guys to refer to help you put this box together, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So I'm super excited, and I hope y'all are too, and thanks for being here. Thanks, Lauren, for allowing me to be a big part of this. I'm super excited, and I'm super excited for you, and here we go. Let's have some fun.